Alam ko 150 nasangkot. Papangalanan ni Diskaya. The Senate now has two chambers, two narratives, and apparently one curly to fight over. Habang nag-aaway yung mga kampo, nalilis ba yung tunay na issue? The issue here is not just about the conflict between different political camps. Ang mas malaking issue is Curly Diskaya's own statement that he was allegedly used by politicians. Habang lumalalim ang tension sa Senado, gamit na gamit daw siya, laspag. Wow! Parang hindi nangungurakot. While many people are focused on who has authority and who has control dun sa mga naratibo, some are asking kung nalilis na ba ang focus away from the testimonies itself and the findings that were already discussed. Why politics sometimes becomes the center of discussion instead na yung mga sustansya ng kaso. Sustansya dun sa mga mismong kaso. Mga mandirigma, isa sa pinakamalakas na pahayag na lumabas ay yung sabihin ni Curly Diskaya na ginamit lang daw siya ng politiko. Pero magsasabi daw siya ng 150 na 150!